churros like the ones from Disneyland or any of the best churros you've ever tasted? Well, you're in luck. Because today, we're making delicious churros with a rich chocolate fudge dipping sauce that will satisfy your sweet tooth. So, let's get started. Welcome back to Live It with April. Hello everyone! Today, we have a special treat for you. We're diving into the sweet world of churros. These golden, crispy delights are perfect for any occasion. And I'll show you how to make them using simple ingredients right in your own kitchen. Plus, we'll whip up a delectable chocolate fudge dipping sauce that complements them perfectly. So, grab your aprons and let's cook this special Spanish recipe, churros con chocolate. At this point guys, you can mix it with a spatula, or to make it easier, we can use an electric hand mixer, or like I'm using here, a stand mixer. Using this technique will make it easier for you to fry churros, especially for first-timers. You'll need a tray and aluminum foil or parchment paper. Cut it as I did and place it on the tray. This is where you will pipe the churros dough later. Next, we need a pastry bag with a large star tip. To make it easier to put the dough inside the pastry bag, use a cup to hold the pastry bag open like I'm doing. Then, transfer the dough into the pastry bag. We need to use a thick pastry bag here because the dough is very stiff. And there you have it, delicious homemade churros con chocolate, perfect for satisfying your cravings. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed making this as much as I did. Churros are great for parties, family gatherings, or just a sweet treat for yourself. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tasty recipes. With this recipe, you can bring the magic of churros right to your kitchen. They're easy to make and offer that delightful crunch and sweetness you love. Enjoy your homemade churros con chocolate. Happy cooking! Life is like churros. Sweet, crunchy, and best enjoyed together. Embrace every bite. This is Live It with April, a taste of home, a flavors from the heart. Bye for now!